Now let's go over section 4. Number 1, s is 4, what is the value of 2, and it s times 15s. Maybe you can simplify 15 minus 15s is about 5s. After that, you can plug this number. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay. And the next one, number 20, the line graphs shows the number of space shuttle launches. Okay. Alright, so question over here. During which year this time period was the number of space shuttle launches the greatest? We are the greatest. 85. Okay. Choice D is the answer. Number 3, American marsupials. Okay. Australian marsupials. 2 primary groups of marsupials. Okay. We have a table anyway. Now take a look. This is the question over here. What fraction of Australian marsupial species? This is a whole number. The fraction is what? Whole and to the what? Part. That is fraction. Whole is how much? This one is 72, this one, this one, 235. Okay? When you add this one, which is 235, so which one is, okay, what is this one? This guy is where is it? Here, right? Okay, 24. This is the part, so 24 over 235 is the answer. Okay, choice B is the answer. Okay. All right, this is number 4. So we have a data, and this is we set line of best fit. But this is what actually predicted line. Okay, that is not the actual. Okay, only this point is the actual value. Okay, but over here, which of the best estimates the predicted value? We use the line. Okay, so x equals 6.5. 6.5 over here because there is no actual value. We choose this one, predicted, right? This is what predicted numbers. So which is 16 is the answer. Okay, number 120% is 1.2, right? 1.2 times 2000, that is what? 2400. That's the answer. The next one is we use to change the unit. Okay, this is 96 feet. 1 feet is this one. So we have to multiply these two. Okay, these two approximately, let me see, less than 300, right? So choice B is that, or you can use your calculator. Okay, definitely that's less than 300. Okay, number 7. This is what? Okay, plug and whisker, right? Okay. So where are the questions? Okay, median number. This is the middle number, right? Box and whisker. In the box, that in the middle line is give us one median number. Okay, that is 1625. Okay, this is what? Third quarter, right? Yeah, 75%. We sometimes we said well, upper quartile. Down over here, lower quartile. Lower quartile is 25% of data, right? This is about 50%. That's the median, right? The middle line. This is the box and whisker, right? Okay, choice A is the answer. Alright, number 8, we have a speed and the pulse. And which of the following equations describe f of x? Okay, this is f of x. This is the value of x. Okay, so we can try this one. When x is 4, output should be 77. X is 4, this is 61, not working. X is 4, 97, that is 93, not working. We need 77, right? 5 times 4 plus 57, that is 77. It's okay. The next one is about negative 5 times 4, also what? 57, 97. Oh, that is also 77. We have two choices over here, C and D. Now take a look at the next one. When x equals 6, which one is 87? This one is 87, right? You can check it out. Or when x is increased, okay, y is increased too. But this one is what? Y is decreased. Okay, so that's why you can choose, right? C without any work. Alright, that should be what? Positive slope, isn't it? Positive slope. Alright, number 8. Okay, Wisconsin. Okay, 96% population of Baltimore. So Baltimore population, to find this one 0.96 times Baltimore population, that is equals to 59,500. Okay, to find these numbers, Baltimore's, you can divide by 0.96. Okay, that should be choice A is the answer. Okay, right, A is correct. All right, number 10. Okay, the guy traveled from Sacramento, California to Portland, Oregon. Okay, stopping to rest of 10 hours there stopping. So total is it takes 143 hours. So 10 hours left is he traveled 133 hours, right? So without resting. Okay, so 5 miles per hour. So times 5, isn't it? So that's 665. Okay. That is the distance. Choice A is the answer. Okay, when you take a number 11, so we have frequency data. Okay, so you can see the questions. Okay, this one. Okay, which of the following intervals contain exactly 2 pips of values of data? How many data are there? This is 10. This is 10. Another 5. 25 data. How many 2 pips of this one? 1 is 5, 10 data. Okay, which interval has 10 data? 1 to 20, 12 data. No good. 11, 30, 8 data. Right? This one. 21, 40, 3 and 8 is 11. No good. 30 and 50, 30 and 50, 8 plus 2 is actually 10 data. Okay, choice D is the answer. Okay. All right, number 12, we have the table. Okay, so you can read the questions. Okay, I'm gonna take a lead over here. All right, the number of students who participate in 2 extracurricular. Okay, 2 over here, these guys, and 120 more than 1 extracurriculum. This is 1. 55%. How much percent more than this one? 25%. Okay, this 25% is actually equal to 120 people, right? Yeah, 120 students. So we're gonna find total number of students. Total number of students, the x 0.25 over x, that is equal to 120. It's okay. When you divide by 0.25 over here, that is 480, isn't it? Or you can use this one too. 25%. That means 120. So we're gonna find 100%. That is the total number of students, right? You can use by cross multiplication. It gives us the same number, 480. Okay. Okay. Now what is this one? This is what it is. All right. Number 13. We have 2 different applications. So this is the ID card. Left one is license. Okay. All right. To get what ID card, it takes 15 minutes. In this case, we take 15 minutes there. And to process the driver license, it takes 20 minutes. This 20 minutes. Okay. So the question is, could that process m minutes? Where is it? All possible combinations for the number of ID card. Okay, in this case, okay, you can choose any numbers because why? Right? Already they have the same number. This is the linear. I'm going to use this one. When you this point is what? ID card application is what? 8. This is 21 license application, right? So ID card is where each one it takes 15 minutes. So 8 times 15 is what? 120 minutes. And this is 21. This it takes what? 20 minutes each. It's 420, right? The total is about 540. Isn't it? The answer is 4. If you take this one, this is 20. 20 is what? It takes what? 15 minutes, 300, right? And the other side is what? 12. Okay, so this is 12 times this is 20 minutes. This is 240. It's still about 540, right? when you choose by any point, it gives us what same number of minutes. Okay, choice B is the answer. Alright, number 14, in the xy plane, what is y coordinate of the y-intercept of the graph? To find the y-intercept, always what? To find any of this is y-intercept, always put this number x equals 0, right? Okay, x equals 0, what is the y-intercept is? This is 0, this is 0, negative 12 over 2 is 1, negative 6 is the answer. Okay, that is y-intercept. It's going to pass over here, right? Down over here, negative 6. Okay. Number 15, we have a 3-point over there. So ABC contains in the solution set. Maybe this line below, yeah, they are all solution set, right? Let's check it out. The first one. Y is greater than negative x minus 2. X minus 2 over here. Okay, negative x is what? Positive, pass over here, right? Slope is the negative 1. Okay, so we're going to pass this point. The line looks like this way. Equal. Okay, that is a solid line, okay? But greater than this way, right? Or this point is what? Belongs to this area, right? That's the answer. Okay? That's the answer. We don't have to check right the next 3. Alright, number 16. AC B is 2, this is 2. And BC is 4. This side is 4. And AC altogether is 10. But we need to find the area of triangle ABD. Oh, this is ABD. ABD, this is the bottom, right? The base is 2 to another 2 is about 4. But we need this length, which is the height. Okay, we need this length. Or from here to here, C is about 10. We need to check out this one, right? Use Pythagoreans here. Okay, EC is what? This side is what? Square root 4 square minus 2 square, right? That is Pythagoreans here. That is what? 16 minus 4 is 12 is 2 red 3, isn't it? 2 red 3. So from here to here, that 2 red 3. From here to here is, what is it? 10 minus 2 red 3. That's fine. Okay, that's the height. Now this is, base is what? Twice of this is 4, right? 2, another 2 here. So 4 times 10 minus 2 red 3. That's the height, but we need to divide by 2. This 2 is out. Simplify. 20 minus 4 red 3. Okay, choice C is the answer. Alright, number 17, we have a graph shows a distribution of the number. Okay, experience 25 teachers enrolled. Okay, so over here, number of years experience. 1 year experience, we have 4 teachers. 2 years is 7 teachers. 3 year 8 teachers. 4 year 4 teachers. 5 year 2 teachers, something like that. They are all 25 teachers. Okay, maybe around you can approximate there. Okay, the mean is around over here, right? And where is median? Median is, you can check it out. 25 is 1 plus 25, right? The first teacher, last teacher 25, and divided by 2. That is in the middle number. Okay, so that is 26, 13th number. Probably that is 6. That is 14, right? Yep, median is still 3 years experience. Okay, that's median, right? Okay, now check it out. We have one more teacher, 26 teachers with 2 year experience. One more teacher over here. That's gonna be what? 8. Now this one changed to 8. Okay. Now we have 26 teachers. Because this number a little move over here, lower down. Okay. So the mean should be a little move to the left. That is decreased. Okay, which decreased? This is decreased, not decreased. Only this one is decreased. That's the answer, right? Only this term is what mean is decreased, isn't it? What about median? Now take a look median. Just before median is what? This number, right? 3 years. Now we have 26 teachers. 1 plus 26. Okay, that's the first teacher, last teacher 26 number. When you divide by 2, 13.5. Okay, now you count. Where is 13.5? This is 6. This is 14 already, just before we are, right? It's the same, belongs to what? Same vowel here. Still 3, okay? The median will remain same. Choice C is the answer, okay? The number 18, we have 60 backpacks in stock. the wheels or no wheels. Okay, this is wheels, this is no wheels. Okay, and before, the number of wheeled backpacks or new shipment divided twice the number of backpacks already in there. Before, this is the X. Let me see, where is X? Okay, wheeled back, right? The wheeled back is X. There's before X. Now after ship out, after it changed to what? Twice. Okay, 2X. Something like that, right? Where? Oh, this is a bit complicated. The next one is what is that? Y backpacks without where? This is the Y backpacks, but new shipment. New shipment 5 times the number of backpacks. This is about 5Y, right? 5 times. Okay, we know that the before X plus Y is 60, right? This is they said already. This is what new shipment. Okay, how many backpack over here? How much? That's what 330. Okay, after new shipment arrived, the total is 330, right? So we have to take up this one. Okay, only new shipment is what 330 minus 60 equals 270, right? Yeah, that's the answer. Or you can find the one all together. Okay, that is how much? 3x plus 6y all together is 330. Okay, you can divide by 3, right? Okay. Maybe in this case you can use this one too, but it takes too long, right? Do this way, better. Choice B is the answer. Okay, number 19, then to quadratic. Okay, quadratic always we have a symmetry, right? Negative 5 over here, 5 over there is the x-intercept. The graph looks like this way. Exactly in the middle, right? So x, this is what actually x of symmetry. Okay, so the minimum value of this graph always on this x of symmetry, which is what? X equals 0, isn't it? Because they're asking you to find the value of x, not y, okay? So we have to choose what? Choice C, okay? That's the answer. Alright, number 20, we have a set of data represent this scatter plot. Okay, we're gonna find, okay, the linear regression, right? The line of best fit looks like this way. Okay, the line should be what through to a point. Okay, so which is correct. So we have, when you take over, okay, we have two different slope over here, right? One is more than 10, the other one is much less than 10. So we can check it out. Maybe you can choose these 2 points. Try these 2 points. This is about 5. This is how much? 5.5 over here. 5 point maybe 0.3, right? Difference. So 5 over 0.3, that's the slope, right? Slope is how much? It's around what? 16, right? More than 16.7 or sometimes 17. But this is what? Only 2 numbers. So only 16 is working. So that is too small, right? So we have 2 choices, C and D. But which is correct? You can put this number, maybe a 5. When you print 5, you should be around the 90, right? 90 is not y-intercept. Y-intercept move down over here, right? When there is 0. Okay, 5.0 over here. This point is what? Y-intercept. It should be negative, right? Yes? Is it not? Or I don't know. Okay, anyway, put this number 5, okay? It should be 90. It's okay? It should be 90. So put this number 5 over here. This is the 5. How much? Negative 15.2 plus 16 times 5. This is 80 minus around the 15, 65. That's too small. This one is 16 times 5. How much? 15.2 plus. This is around 80. Oh, very close to 90, right? More than 90, but this is what the best numbers. Okay. Oh, choice D is the answer. Okay. All right. Number 21. Take a look. Number 21. Okay. We have this one. Ax plus by equals 6. That is linear. Okay. To find the value of b, when you find the value of b, we need to write this number, but try to make it 0. Where is it? X equals 0, right? You can choose this point. 0, when x equals 0, y is negative 2, isn't it? If we choose this point, the value of what? This term will be 0, right? Because 8 times 0 is 0. B times y is negative 2 is still 6, isn't it? So negative 2 equals 6. You can find the value B, which is what? Divided by negative 2 is negative 3 is the answer, okay? Or you can use a slope-intercept form, okay? You can change this one. By equals what is the negative ax plus 6, isn't it? When you divide by b, divided by b, divided by b, okay? This is what is the y-intercept. Okay, from here, you can find the value of b, right? We already got the y-intercept is what? Negative 2, isn't it? This y-intercept 6 over b equals negative 2. So what is the b? Okay, you can use a cross multiplication. Okay, b equals what? Negative 3. Okay, you can solve this way too. Alright, number 22, we have the equations. WL equals 0.04 times 1.2 t. Okay, oh, this is the L. I'm not, this is the L, right? Yeah, input is L. L is what? The length in inches. Okay, L is the length inches. Okay, so we're gonna find what is this number. Okay, this number is, we said this number, we said growth factor because that is the number is greater than 1. Okay, this is, we said growth factor. But when you separate this one, 1.22 actually are 1 plus 0.22, right? L. Okay, so that is what? Growth rate. This is the growth rate. Every 1 inch long, or every year, every 1 inch long, every minute. If you increase, this is what, 1 and 2 or 3 increased by 1, always what, 22% will be increased in W. Okay, that's the meaning, right? So we have to find which one. Okay, every 1 inch is increased. The estimated weight bound will increase 22%. That's it, okay? Choice B is the answer. The next one, number 23. Oh, this is, I think that's the first time to give this type of questions. Okay, sin theta, because we have the angle opposite, right, in second quadrant. So we have to build the new triangle up here. That is sin theta is opposite over hypotenuse. Okay, this is opposite for this angle, but this is your reference angle, right? So this reference angle represents this angle. Okay, so anyway, that is rad 3 over 2, isn't it? Opposite over hypotenuse. What is the length this one? This is what? 1. It's okay? 1, 2, rad 3, right? That's special right triangle, isn't it? But in this case, this point should be what? On the left hand side. Okay, this coordinate what is negative 1, rad 3, right? So this number is negative 1. Using these numbers, we can find the cosine theta. What is the cosine theta? Adjacent over hypotenuse. Where is the adjacent? This is the adjacent. Negative 1. Hypotenuse still 2, right? Okay. So negative 1 over 2 is the answer. Okay. This angle we said terminal angle. Okay. This one is the reference angle. Okay. To find the ratio of three sides in second quadrant, we use this angle. Okay. This we said reference angle. Okay, all right, choice C is the answer. All right, number 24, we have a two-way table. Okay, if one of these stocks that increased in value in August, it's chosen, right? Okay, we chosen out of this one. Increased in value August, increased in value the total, right? We don't care about the July. That is increased in August, total is 30, okay? We choose right something out of this 30, okay? So what is probably the stock also increased in July? In July, out of this one, only 21, right? So it will be 21 over 30, that's the probability, okay? That's the answer. In decimal, it's gonna be 0.7, right? Okay, Minato drive 390 miles. Part of the drive was local from here to here, some part is local, and the other one is a highway. Local speed is what, 24 miles per hour. Highway is what? Faster, 60 miles per hour. Altogether it takes what? 8 hours. Okay, 8 hours. What? Okay, maybe you can try this way. If you can let this is x, local is x. Altogether is 300 miles. This is what? 300 minus x. The rest of it is not 300 minus x. Okay, maybe you can try this one first. X over 20 plus 390 minus x over 60. That is total time, right? So that's time. So it takes away 8 hours. Times 60 both sides. That is easier, okay? Times 60 times 60. 60 divided by 20. 3x plus 60 is out. We got to 390 minus x equals 480, right? 8 times 60 is 480. This 2 is 2x. Minus 390 minus 390 is 190. So when you divide by 2, x is 45 miles in local, right? Or maybe you can try this way. The total is 8 hours. Maybe this is x hours. This one is what? 8 minus x hours. Using this we can find what distance, right? Take it out. 20 times x is what? That is the local distance. And the plus 60 times 8 minus x. That is for the highway distance. Total is 390. You can use this one too. 20x plus 480 minus 60x equals 390, right? So 20x, 60 is what? Negative 20x equals negative 90. X equals what? Still 45. Let me see. 4.5, right? Not 45. 4.5. But x is let me see. This is 45 is the answer. 4.5. It takes what? This is a 4.5 hours. We have a different answer. Okay, let me check this later. Okay. Anyway, 45 is the answer. Okay, we have something wrong over here. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is 20 minus 64, negative 40x. Okay, negative 40x equals 0.25. When you divide by 40, that is 2.25. Okay. It takes what? 2.25 hours. So we need to find distance. So you multiply speed again, right? So 20 times 2.25 it was still 45. But it takes a little longer, right? The first method is better, okay? Alright, number 26. Okay, we have quadratic, b is constant, and for what value b, the equation have only one solution. Only one solution, always square, you know? That's why we got only one solution. So this is 16. We have two choices: x plus 4 square or x minus 4 square. You know, that is also 16, right? When you expand this one, x squared plus 8x plus 16. The other one is x squared minus 8x plus 16, right? Both have only one solution, right? So we have two choices: negative 8 or 8. Okay, any number is okay. Number 27, we have slope is negative. Slope is negative this way, getting down, decreasing, right? Decreasing. So when you choose 2 points, A over left hand side, B is greater than A, you can use B over here. You can use A or you can use B over here, doesn't matter. Always the right hand side is what? Smaller than this number, right? This f of b should be less than f of a. That's why the graph is going down. Okay, that should be definition of decreasing. Okay. The next one is a is positive, a is negative, f of a is what? Positive. But not always true, right? It's okay. Sometimes f of a is what? Negative over here. Let me see. Okay, a is over here, but still what? F of a is what? Negative number, right? Not positive. Okay, but this is also what? f is positive, it doesn't have to be always negative, right? This is what a is over here positive, but this is still what positive, right? Not always true. This is always true, okay? Choice A is the answer, okay? Alright, number 28, we have a polynomial equation, okay? The function over here, bx times, okay? These two terms is equal, that is different. Okay, that looks like we have an x-intercept is what we can be b. Oh, this is a 0, right? 0 over here, negative b the other opposite side. We have still a. Maybe you can use a as a positive over here. Only 1, right? So we have 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, 4 point. If we make a graph, that's possible graph looks like this way. You have what 4 x-intercept. Okay. The next one, number 29. For what value of k the equation is no solution? No solution is undefined. Now you have to express x. Now let's find. Anyway, let's find the value of x. Times 3 is better, right? Okay, times 3 both sides. X. Okay. X minus k equals 3 times kx. Okay. So maybe you can move this one, or it doesn't matter. Okay. So negative k equals 3k x minus x, right? So k is out, we have right 3k minus 1. Okay, that is equals negative k. Finally, you can use y x equals negative k over 3k minus 1. Or if we move this one, is you can move this one, it's gonna be what k over 1 minus 3k, right? Yeah, that's it, doesn't matter. So this is the solutions. But if k is what 1/3, okay, if k is 1/3, definitely denominator 0, that is undefined. 0 over 0 is what? No, not, okay, any value k, okay, any constant over 0 is what? Still undefined, okay? So when k equals 1/3, there's no solution, okay? Alright, number 10, this is equivalent, right? That's equivalent. So x squared plus bx plus 10 is actually equal to what? X minus 3 squared plus c. Okay, equivalent is what? Same expression. Expand this one. X squared minus 6x plus 9 plus c. Isn't it? That is, this is a constant. This is middle constant. Okay, 9 plus c is 10 is what? C should be equal to 1, right? Where is b? B should be what? Coefficient of x. Negative 6. B equals negative 6. C equals 1. Sum of this one equals negative 5 is the answer. Okay, choice D is the answer. Alright, number 31. X minus 3 to the 4th power is 0. Okay, multiple is 4. The only thing is what? To make a 0 okay? So x minus 3 equals 0 is x equals 3 is the answer. Okay. Alright, number 32. Okay, we have median is 8, but the value of r is what? Less than 11. What is possible value of r? To find the median, okay, we're gonna rearrange, right? The lowest one number is 4, second number is 5, third number is 8, the next one is 11 and 13. That's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's another one? 4. Okay, 2, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's okay. But median is 8. This is the median. We're gonna prove here the value of r less than this number. We're gonna move the right, okay? But it's already what left hand side 3 numbers. This one should be median, 3 numbers to the right side. It can be 8, it's okay too, right? Same numbers. Or 9 is okay, or 10 is okay, right? So any possible number, okay? Number 33, we're gonna find the value of x, the system of equation. We just eliminate the y. You can use y minus. Okay, you can take a y from bottom to the top, right? 8x minus 4x is what? 4x. 5 minus 4 is what? 1, right? So x equals how much? 1/4 is the answer, okay? Alright, number 34. One serving a certain brand of microwave popcorn. Popcorn is provide what? 150 calorie. But 90 of this one is from fat. Okay, 90 calorie. The other one is just a popcorn. The other one is 1 serving of certain brand low sodium preacher. Okay, preacher. Preacher is it provides 120 calorie, but this is 12 of this one coming from pet. Okay, we have 2 data over here. Where are the questions? How many more calories from fat provided? We choose 100 calories, right? Each serving 100 calories. Okay, that's correct. Popcorn and both 100 calories. Because out of 150 we have 90. 100 calories, how much? 90 times. This is for 150, right? So out of this 100 calories, we take up 100 calories. Okay, that's a fraction, isn't it? So when this is a 2, this is a 3, it's going to be 60 calories from fat. Okay. Now take this is 100. We take only 100 calories over here. So 12, okay, times 100 calories out of about 120 calories, right? Okay. This is how much? 12 is cancer. This is 10 calories. The difference of this is about 50 is the answer. Okay. The next one is very simple, right? The area of parallelogram is the base times height. This is not height. Okay, 10 times 5 equals what? 50 is the answer. Okay, because what? This portion take over here looks like what? Area of what? This also 10, right? Looks like an area of a rectangle, right? Okay, that is number 35. Let me see, number 36. Okay, we have this is input 27,000. Okay, so put this number over here. X equal 50. How much this one? C times 50. 50C plus D, that is equals 27,000. Now we're gonna put the 100. This number is big. I'm gonna 100 over here. Okay, so when 100 times C is what? 100 times C and plus D, that provides us what? 38,000. Okay, we're gonna find the value of C. You just eliminate D, isn't it? Subtract. Okay, 100 minus 50 is what? 50C equals this how much? 11,000. When you divide it by 50, let me see, 220, right? That's the answer. Alright, number 37 and 38, we have a line of best fit, and the point is scatter plot, the point is the actual value. Okay, so we have 9 main frame computers. We have 9 computers over here. So the number of dots should be 19, right? Yeah, we can see that. All these 90 computers, something like that. Okay, based on line of best fit. Okay, we are talking about only the line, not forget about the actual number. Okay, the estimated value of a 6-year-old K. 6-year-old K, this is a line of best fit. Okay, this is 15, isn't it? Okay. So 15,000, then the 15 is the answer. Alright, number 38, what is the number of computers for which the line of best fit predicted what? The value less than actual value. This one less than actual value is this point, right? This line is what? Less than value. So actual value is greater than, right, the predicted number. Okay? So the point should be what? Over that line, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9 computers. Okay, actually this actual value is about greater than the predicted line. Okay, so the answer is 9. Okay. Okay, everybody try this one again. Okay, and figure out why you got the wrong answer. Okay. All right. If you still have questions, you can ask me right in the next class. Okay. All right. Thank you so much.